Thank you. Sri Govinda Basamotari.
Honorable Speaker, sir, and most respected Speaker of Indian Parliament, Sri Om Birla ji, the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himant Biswa Sarma ji, Ministers of Assam, and my colleague MLAs. I, on behalf of the UPPL and Assembly of Assam, would like to extend my hearty welcome to Honorable Speaker Sri Om Birla ji. Assam is a small state with 34 million of population, having different ethnic, linguistic, and cultural origin. It is the land of Shankardev and Ajahn Fakir, who founded the principle of peaceful coexistence with equal status, equal rights, and mutual love among the different communities. We followed their principle and are living in mutual love, in peaceful social fabric. We have deep conviction in this principle. So, this principle of peace existed, continued for so long centuries, and the present generation also following the principle of peace and mutual coexistence. But some few years back, Assam was turbulent due to violent political movements. But we are thankful to the present government of India and the present government of Assam, due to bold step taken by the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, and the Home Minister, Amit Shah ji, and also the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himant Biswa Sarma ji. All these problems has been resolved and settled down, and Assam is now in peace. And taking advantage of this peace, the government of Assam is taking to speed up the developmental activities under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Himant Biswa Sarma. United People's Party Liberal, which I represent, is a small regional party having only 7 MLAs. The United People's Party Liberal is a small particle of the NDA bandwagon, and we are the component of Treasury bench in the Assam Assembly. We are trying our level best to serve our state and our people. Honorable Mr. Speaker ji, we feel proud that you have planted your foot in our assembly. Having a long and successful political career, you have served the nation and the society in different levels and different capacities. We hope the principle of democracy shall have the opportunity to flourish in the Indian Parliament under your able leadership. We know that you are a philanthropist
Thank you.
and
We
have
no
a
more
soft
time.
and people. We feel fortunate, a man of compassionate heart like you among us. We are really inspired and blessed by your visit. May God bless you to successfully lead the House and the nation. Thank you.